Hey guys. Our cat is having babies right now, and it's really gross. Here it goes. She just let out a baby. Look at it, right there. She's cleaning it right now. I can't get too close to it because, ew, there it is. Right there. That is. Yep, right there. And we're obviously outside right now on her porch. And she having them right now. The thing is, she has to push like 4 more out, which really sucks. Which really looks, ew. I ew that. Look at that. It just fell. Oh, right there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Right there is really tiny. oh. Sugar, your fat body's in the way.
No, she's not hovering over it.
That's the first one. It looks like all black.
He'll change color when it dries.
It came out like all slimy. It was gross. It just now came out. So I'm like, I need to record this. So because I probably don't have that much footage because of yesterday's video. Hope you guys enjoy that. I haven't uploaded it yet, but you guys will see. There'll be another video up. I'm uploading this one first, and then I'll upload the other video I made yesterday. But I really wanted to make this video because we're having kittens, and that legit. So yeah, that's the first one. I'll upload these 2 videos today. There might be another one because in a little bit she'll probably have the 3rd one out. And yeah, we'll keep you guys updated whenever she gets done having babies. And yeah, because it's 11:38 right now. And yeah, she'll probably have them done. She'll probably have the babies done at maybe close to 12:30. No. Probably 12:01. I don't know, but I never seen cats have birth. So this is my first time. So look at. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to get that in the video. There she is, guys. Right there. Hey Sugar, say hi to the vlog. She's like, I just had kittens. You want to see? Oh, right there. That's a good pic. That's a good thumbnail right there. She's like, oh, it's a camera? Oh yeah, get
away from her a little bit.
Okay. Toes. Keep looking at that sucker. That sucker. And Mom was probably like, oh. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video yesterday, because I'm uploading this one first, and then I'll upload the other one I made yesterday. So the other one is pretty much about me going into stores, going all that stuff, and it's a video not being at the house. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that video. I'll make it in a little bit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and leave a like on the other video. subscribe, and leave a comment, like whatever you guys want me to do. So yeah. Oh yeah.